Hi, it's TJ and welcome to my short series covering how to use the brand new Medicube Booster Pro device. Now, if you're not yet familiar with this 6-in-1 skincare device, here's a quick overview. The Medicube Booster Pro includes 4 popular skincare technologies. This is the Toning Radiance Care with the Booster Mode, Line Volume Care with Microcurrent, Contour Elasticity Care with the Airshot Mode, and Pore Elasticity Care with the ATS Airshot Mode. It also includes 5 different LED light options and comes with sonic vibration, making this an absolutely amazing skincare tool that delivers professional treatments in the comfort of your own home. Offering almost double the amount of skin permeability when compared to the original booster device, improved porporation technology when compared to the ATS Airshot device, more powerful contour elasticity and optimized facial muscle stimulation with the EMS Airshot mode, and the inclusion of microcurrent, each of which are safe to use around the eyes. Another benefit of the Booster Pro is that it comes with app connectivity. You can download the Medicube app onto your Android or iPhone. It's currently available in the United States, in Korea and Japan, but there are workarounds to this. But if you're not in these areas, it is coming soon, so hang tight. Now, by offering all of these different treatment modes and options in one single device, you're able to create a truly customized skincare routine that targets all of those different issues that you want to personally take care of. Now, if you're like me, you're going to be using each of the treatments consecutively in one session. Now, it's important to remember that each treatment session lasts 5 minutes. It's automatically going to shut off after this. 5 minutes is more than enough to take care of your skin with each of the different modes. The countdown timer doesn't start until the device detects that it's come into contact with the skin. And if, like me, you're using the Medicube app, you're able to track all of your different usages. You get reminders, you get routines, you get exclusive videos to follow along with. Basically, it's like having an aesthetic practitioner in your pocket. Okay, so now we've got all of that out of the way, let's get on with the Medicube Booster Pro Airshot how-to instruction video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn the device on.
Booster mode, level 1.
Now, if you're using the device manually and you're not connecting it to the app, you're going to locate the mode button, which is the lower button, push it 3 times.
Microcurrent, Airshot, Airshot mode, level 1.
Now, this takes you onto the Airshot mode. It begins you on level 1. If you're new to using this device, it's best to use it on level 1 for the first week. Then as your skin becomes more accustomed and you get used to the sensation, you can increase the intensity with each passing treatment until you reach a level that you feel is most comfortable for you. Now, for me, I'm using the app. As soon as I open it and the device is turned on, it automatically syncs and connects. I'm just going to open the Booster Pro. Now, on the manual mode, you get the aqua colored light. The aqua color light is designed for pore care, but you can change it to a different colored light if you prefer. Now, for me, because I'm in my 40s and I'm all about volumizing my skin, I much prefer to use the green light, but whatever you prefer. Now, obviously, I've been using Airshot technology for a long time, so I'm just going to increase the level up to 5 for me.
Level 4, level 5.
Now, when you're using Airshot technology, you don't want to be placing the tip flat against the skin. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place the device flat against the skin, gently lift it up and away, roughly to an angle of around about 15 degrees, and then you can start to glide it backwards and forwards. Now, if you're good with estimating distance between the skin and the device tip, you can also just hover it above the skin by around about 1 millimeter or 2, and you're just going to be brushing it backwards and forwards. Now, hovering above the skin is the way that I use it. I feel that I get more even coverage and application by doing this. It's also covering a larger surface area at once.
1 minute passed.
And then I always begin at the base of the nose and just brushing outwards and upwards. Slowly make my way downwards. Nice smooth motions. Now, I didn't shave today, so I can smell burning hair. This is the porporation technology. It's getting rid of those little tiny hairs as they're coming through. Brush it along. Line. And then along to the other side. Now, it can feel a little bit prickly at times, but it's not painful.
2 minutes passed.
Right onto the forehead. Down the nose. So what this is doing right now is it's firing little tiny electrical charges into my skin. These are opening up micro channels within my skin. It's increasing blood circulation. It's going to help with product penetration when I apply my topical products in a moment. And it helps to minimise the visible appearance of pores, which 3 things I absolutely love. Okay. Just going to down onto the neck. There's no dragging on the skin, literally just backwards and forwards. Now I'm just about to do around the eyes. I leave the eyes towards the end, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the intensity level down to a level 1. No need for it to be too high around here. The skin's super sensitive, super thin. Level 1 is more than enough. Just going to do my cheeks. Circular motions, gentle, just making sure I'm covering every area of my skin.
Minutes passed.
Okay, drop the intensity down.
Level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1.
Level 1. Taking the tip of the corner up under the eye towards the inner canthus. And then just gently hovering above the skin, backwards and forwards. No dragging of the skin. Really smooth motion. And then around the top of the eyelid. Okay. Other side. Around the lips. Under the nose.
Session complete.
And we're done. So now that I've got the Airshot session complete, what I'm just going to quickly do now is I'm just going to tone my skin. This is Super Glow in Essence. My skin literally drinks this up. I'm going to apply it onto one of my bamboo pads. A few drops. And then I'm just patting this into the pores and the skin, just making sure that it all gets in there nicely. Now, if I'm not going to treat my skin with any of the other modes after using the Airshot mode in the Medicube Booster Pro, I'd then apply the triple collagen serum. I'd follow this on with the triple deep erasing cream. Around my eyes, I will use the Deep Vita A retinol serum. And then once all of that's soaked into my skin and been absorbed, I will apply a generous layer of the hyaluronic acid airy sunstick from Isntree. But if, like me, you're going to treat your skin with multiple modes in one session, it's time to move on to the next one, which is the Medicube Booster mode, which you can find right here.